Roger, go ahead.
We're in the insert collector portion of the CFIS operation sample 1, and flow 7 is reading 261 volts, and we're proceeding on.
Roger that. We're going LOS now. We'll see you at Guam.
Estimating the V-bar at 300 feet in about 5 minutes.
Got a couple seconds here if you want to hear the description of the asset looking out the overhead window looking back.
Okay, we're ready to copy. Now.
Okay, it was pretty surprising. I looked back for ignition of the SSMEs and for the SRVs, and darn near blinded myself. I looked back forward again. It was appeared to be all around us like we were in the center. Later on, at 6 or 7 minutes, I again turned around and looked back and was really surprised. I didn't expect to see much, but saw quite a bit, as a matter of fact. Just the main engines themselves were making a much brighter orange flame than I ever expected, and it was pulsating almost as if an engine were running back there on stage.
Okay, ready to test. Okay, Ramo, roll 113, pitch 207, yaw 059er. In your minus wide star tracker, you should have star 97. In your minus Z, star 57.
Okay, that energy roll 113, pitch 207, yaw 059er. Minus one star tracker, star 97.
Okay, TC GNC.
Go ahead, GNC.
Okay, step 399. It didn't work.